wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best olive oil dispensers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, a glass container with a 17-ounce capacity. The multifunctional vremi pouring bottle has a dripless controlled spout for ultra-precise pours. If you plan on mixing contents, the teaspoon, tablespoon, and milliliter labels that come with it will definitely come in handy. It has the ability to blend or emulsify oil and is easy to assemble and disassemble. However, note that both the pump and top require hand washing. At number 9, made from sturdy stoneware with a non-porous glazed interior to keep your oil fresh, the Rachael serveware is both practical and bold. Thanks to its lively contemporary design, it also serves as tasteful decor for your kitchen or dining room. It holds 24 ounces and is a heat-resistant construction, but it does suffer from occasional problems with leaking. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Nicebottles Perfect Pour is aptly named as it's masterfully engineered to provide you with flawless dispensing. Its tapered stainless steel body gives you excellent control, while the hinged flip-top lid protects liquids from outside contamination. It includes a microfiber cleaning cloth and a premium rubber stopper. However, note that it pours faster than others. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for olive oil dispensers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, why settle for one first-class pourer when you can have two? The Tablecraft 16-ounce arrives as a pair, so you'll have no shortage of restaurant-grade dispensers, even if you're hosting large groups. Its long-lasting finish ensures a classy appearance for years to come. It comes with steel pourers and a rack, and delivers an easy flow for light drizzling, but it's a little big for smaller tables. Moving up our list to number 6. Add some artwork to your cooking with the Juvale Cruet. Top-flight glass bottles offered in several stylish designs. They come with lever-release snap lids that make meticulously controlled pouring easier than you thought possible. They include airtight bottle stoppers and a 12 inches tall. They come as a set of 2. Halfway up our list at number 5. The dark green color of the square 500ml Nicebottles pourer is ideal for guarding against oxidation caused by light penetration, which helps keep the flavors and nutrients intact no matter how often you use the oil for cooking. It's equipped with a top flap that keeps out bugs and dust and a black screw cap, but it is overly tall with the spout. At number 4, made from borosilicate glass, the Chef's Planet Cruet is as simple to use as it is elegant, the perfect finishing touch for a beautiful set table. It's balanced and lightweight, so it won't cause you too much trouble to move from kitchen to dining room. This one's offered in various sizes, all safe for the dishwasher. However, it seems fragile to some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The sleek Tablecraft Siena is the perfect blend of manageable size and graceful shape, making it a functional, alluring 16-ounce pourer with a green tint for protection. Go ahead and order 2 as it works great as a soap dispenser in the bathroom as well. It's resistant to leaking and is an excellent value. Its pour speed is ideal for cooking. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for olive oil dispensers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, no, your eyes aren't fooling you. The gmisun No Drip does in fact resemble a penguin with a cute orange beak that opens for doling out the good stuff. And for your peace of mind, all the plastic parts are completely BPA free. It's made from lead-free glass and stands just under 7 inches tall. It's also good for soy sauce. And coming in at number 1 on our list, don't let their simplicity throw you off. The chefvantage cruet set perform at a high level and look right at home on any dining room table. Their stainless steel bodies keep the contents fresh, while the clog-free dispenser offers unrivaled stream control. They're easy to clean and come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. There are several color and design options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for olive oil dispensers, or simply click beneath this video.